Hi everyone, let's discuss HTML entities. So HTML entities are used to represent special characters in HTML that either have a reserved meaning in HTML or are not easily typed on a standard keyboard. So for that we use HTML entities. Okay. So there are some commonly used special characters we use using the HTML entities. Let's discuss about that. So first one is the less than symbol. Okay. Let's make the heading first. HTML entities. Okay. Firstly, we will discuss less than symbol. Okay. Uh, let's create another heading. H2. Okay. Less than symbol. Okay. So it is denoted by and ampersand LT. Okay. So this is the syntax. This is the symbol, and this is we can call it as entity. This is the HTML entity ampersand LT. This is the HTML entity used to display the less than symbol. So let's go to the browser and check how it looks. Okay. So it is looking like this, less than symbol. Similarly, we have greater than symbol. Greater than symbol that is denoted by GT. At the rate GT. Let's go to browser and check it. Okay, this is the greater than symbol. Also, we have ampersand symbol. So that is denoted by ampersand AMP. Okay, let's go to browser. Okay, so this is the ampersand symbol. Okay, we can remove this. Okay, now let's check quotation mark. Quotation symbol mark. Okay, that is denoted as ampersand QU. Okay, okay, let's check it also. This is the quotation mark. Also, we have apostrophe. Apostrophe. And that is denoted as ampersand APOS. Okay, let's check it. This is the apostrophe symbol. Okay, for that HTML entity is ampersand APOS. Okay, so also we have non-breaking space. To let's say I am, we can write here in the ampersand NBSP. Okay, so what it will do, it will provide a, so and the ampersand NBSP, this HTML entity will display as a space, but it prevents the line breaks. Okay, so let's check it in the browser. Okay, so this is how it looks. It never break the line. Okay, and it will display only as a space. Also, we have a copyright symbol. Copyright symbol that is denoted as ampersand copy. Let's check it. Okay, this is how it looks. Similarly, we have a registered trademark symbol. So, registered trademark symbol. Okay, %reg. This is how it looks. See, this is the registered trademark symbol. Also, we have some euro symbols. Let's check that also. Euro symbol, that is denoted as %euro. Let's save it and go to the browser. This is the euro symbol. Okay. So these are the HTML entities that are useful when we need to show that special characters are displayed correctly and not interpreted as an HTML code. Okay. So these HTML entities are basically used to represent special characters in HTML that either have a reserved meaning in HTML or are not easily typed on a standard keyboard.